In this video, you'll learn how to see website traffic in GoDaddy, whether you're just getting started with your site or you've had it for a while. Being able to quickly check your stats is really important. It helps you understand how many people are visiting, when they're coming, and how your site is performing overall. I'll walk you through the process step by step in a simple and clear way so you can follow along on your own screen. First, you'll need to log into your GoDaddy account. Open your web browser and go to the GoDaddy homepage. In the top right corner, you'll see the sign in option. Click that and then enter your usual login details. Take a moment to make sure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one website or have multiple GoDaddy profiles. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your main account dashboard. From here, look for the section called My Products. This is where GoDaddy lists everything associated with your account, like domains, hosting, and website builders. Click on My Products to open it. If you have several different services with GoDaddy, you might see a fairly long list, so don't worry if it looks a bit busy. Next, you want to find the specific website whose traffic you want to check. Under the Websites or Website Builder section, locate the site you're interested in. Each site should appear as its own item in the list. Take a second to confirm you're picking the right one, especially if your sites have similar names. Once you've found your site, look for the button or link labeled Manage next to it. Go ahead and click Manage. Well, this will open the management area for that particular website. Think of this as the control center for your site, where you can adjust settings, edit content, and access your statistics. Now that you're on the site management page, all you need to do is scroll down. As you move down the page, look for a section that shows your site stats or analytics. This section typically includes information like visits, page views, and sometimes other basic metrics depending on the type of GoDaddy plan and tools you're using. The stats area is usually clearly labeled, so it should be easy to spot once you've scrolled far enough. When you see your stats, take a moment to look around and get familiar with what's displayed. You might see graphs or charts showing traffic over time, daily visit counts, or other simple indicators of how your site is doing. This data can help you understand which days are busiest, whether recent changes to your site are attracting more visitors, and how your audience is engaging with your content. If the information looks a bit overwhelming at first, don't worry. Start by focusing on just one or two key numbers, like total visits or traffic over the last week. Over time, you can come back to this stats area regularly and get more comfortable reading the trends. That's all there is to it. You log in, go to My Products, find your site, click Manage, and then scroll down to see your stats. Once you know where to look, checking your website traffic in GoDaddy becomes a quick, simple habit that can really help you understand and grow your site.